They say sometimes in order to get over of your boring life, you have to do something interesting. And I tried to make my life interesting. Hence, I bought a beginner's FPV drone from DJI, a DJI Avata, and it's cool. I love it. I've been practicing on the simulator, and I know my experience about that. Like on the first day, I had like so freaking big headache, nauseated, that I thought like, damn, this might be the worst thing I have ever bought. I bought the FPV drone, I used the online simulator, and then now I got gist of it that I can control the FPV drone. And then I've been flying a little bit here and there in normal in a sports mode. But last week I tried my drone for the first time in manual mode and I crashed twice actually, but also I got a good footage. But today this is my second manual flight, which I wanted to show you guys that how good I will do, whether I will crash or I get some pretty decent footage. So for this we're heading to Bethel Beach. So we come to this Bethel Bridge today just to give it a try. This is actually my second flight. Kind of a bit nervous. It's a big place and I don't want to lose my drone as well. Let's see how it goes. By the way, I only got like one battery, so I think it will stick around like 15 minutes. So let's just do with some Avata thing.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Shit. Alright. Got thing again. Whew. Damn, that was something. I crashed my drone again, but it's pretty tough drone. I think one of the toughest drone I have ever seen. I don't even know where I crashed and then to where it got hit. I think it's over here somewhere, and then it just crashed over there. But damn, this is solid, man. I love it. So as you have seen on the last, that I crashed my drone again, but I'm glad that nothing happened to the drone, and I got some of the good decent footages. But the moral of the story here is that when you're getting into an FPV world, do a lots and lots of online flight simulator thing first. Tons and tons of hours. Once you get like up to that point where you think that you can just fly that in a real world, you get out there, do that, and come back again, do the same thing, you know, back and forth, the flight simulator and then real world, and then that's how you do the thing. So with this interesting video today, I'm gonna sign off, and I'll see you in the next interesting video again. Cheers.